TV Asia. When we're talking about this play that you had been playing a lead role of Mahatma Gandhi, and the play name is Yug Purush. And as we just finished our press conference, and you mentioned about like 600 already been done on this, and the influence in today's time. What is the importance of the role of? Because they say, "Be the change you want to see in people." That's what his quote has been always that been seen. We do see his statues installed here, there, and everywhere. But it is not about the statues because they are just the statues. Because people have to live the life of him which he has lived, and they have to know in today's time how significant he is.
In the first place, I would like to say कि significance ऐसा है कि we are losing a lot of self-control. So Gandhi ji always insisted and he emphasized on gaining self-control. कि आपके अंदर किसी भी तरह का यानी गुस्सा अगर the worst part in today's life is we are very short tempered, we get angry very soon. तो short temper को control करने के लिए that self control is very much essential. Self control is essential over greed. We have become very materialistic. हम हर चीज़ को पाना चाहते हैं by hook or crook. तो उन्होंने वही कहा है कि हर चीज़ को पाना ज़रूरी नहीं है और by hook और crook तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. आपको सही रास्ता चुनना है सही चीज़ को पाने के लिए. और हम कई बार जैसे उनकी आत्मकथा में भी ये बात मेंशन की गई है कि हम भगवान से एक्सचेंज ऑफर में चीज़ें मांगते हैं तो वो गलत है. हम एक्सचेंज ऑफर में कि अगर ये काम मेरा हो जाएगा
पास कर देना, मैं सोन में
हाँ प्रसाद चढ़ा दूँगा. तो भगवान आपके लिए कोई एक्सचेंज ऑफर के लिए नहीं है. आपको जो भी करना है वो आपके अंदर के इंसान को जगा कर करना है, आपके अंदर की इंसानियत को जगा कर करना है. तो आज के लाइफ में उनकी जो वैल्यूज़ हैं जो उन्होंने पहले भी कही थी और आज भी उतनी ही कंटेम्प्रेरी हैं. तो ये काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं उनके नेचर की जिनके बारे में उन्होंने बात की थी इन हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. तो उनके नेचर की कुछ बातें ऐसी हैं जिनको हमें अपनाना चाहिए. लाइक बीइंग पोलाइट, like being non-violent. Non-violence is the biggest requirement of
India at 70. Because of that is the reason that India became 70 today. And in this year that we are talking like the biggest influence is non-violence.
Non-violence, yes. So non-violence is basically it's the most misunderstood term in today's times. People think non-violence is not answering to somebody's violence. It's not just that. We are violent about our thoughts. We are violent about our words. हम शब्दों से किसी को हानि पहुंचाते हैं वो भी हिंसा है. हम अपने एक्शन से किसी को हानि पहुंचाते हैं. हम अपने विचारों से if like you are believing in something and if I oppose to that, that's fine. But mentioning that what you are thinking is wrong is a kind of hinsa.
See, when we talk about क्रोध, तो बोलते क्रोध क्या है? किसी की गलती की सजा खुद को देना एक क्रोध. Poison. I was talking about the quote today. Is it poison? What is it? Anything excess is a poison. Means we do know it, but in today's time we do write inspiration quote, we read it, but do we practice that? That is where the matter is. And you played a very significant role. I think we are really looking forward for it. And playing, that character, how did you feel in person, Aman?
When I entered on stage for the first time with all my attire, as you can see, I've shaved off my hair, I've grown a mustache, especially for this role. Yeah. So when I entered on stage for the first time, there was a huge round of applause because Mahatma Gandhi entered and I had goosebumps. And every time when I enter on stage, whenever I hear people clapping, cheering or applauding, and there are photographers sitting in the front row clicking pictures, I feel goosebumps. Not because they are clicking pictures of me. I get goosebumps because I'm able to represent such a big character who has influenced the whole world. तो उसका प्रतिनिधित्व मेरे थ्रू हो रहा है, इस बात का इतना आनंद होता है मुझे कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता.
Thank you so much for sharing and we are looking forward to see you in that very role. Wish you all the best and good luck. तेज जी, सबसे पहले तो हम आपका स्वागत करेंगे. First of all, I really want to congratulate you that you have taken this task of bringing something like because it is in today's time, a lot of people are doing a lot of shows when talking about Bollywood and this and that, but bringing this and showing where all we came from, that itself is round of applause for you. I mean, like, congratulations. And Srimad Rajchandra Mission Dharampur, this presence, Yug Purusha, महात्मा के महात्मा. तो आपसे जानना चाहते हैं about this organization and why you felt that it's important for you to bring this to.
Srimad Rajchandra Mission Dharampur is the spiritual arm of the organization, and this drama that is coming to the US is primarily to highlight Yug Purush, the man of the era, Srimad Rajchandra, and this happens also to be his 150th year anniversary. So no better time than today to have it here. Also, we are a 501c3 charity in the United States. All the revenues collected from this venture here in the United States will go towards the building of a new 200-bed hospital in Dharampur, Gujarat.
Dharampur?
Gujarat.
Where is this located?
It's in Gujarat near Valsad, near Vapi and Valsad. And it is basically catering to the extremely poor and marginalized in India. This hospital, we already have an hospital currently since 2004. We have treated over 1 million patients till today. Last year we treated over 130,000 patients. Our average cost to treat this patient is between $25. So you can imagine we're doing a lot of good work there, and there's an overutilization of the existing facilities. And it is the right time to try and get the support of the people all over the globe to try and help us build a bigger hospital for these people in India.
And it could not have been much better than this theme which you're talking about, play, because he said that it is not that you have to go to the poor to serve it. It is not that they're going to come to you and you're going to get served, because go to the villages. That's what he used to talk about it. But in today's time, people are forgetting the philosophy of his, and they are we have more organization where the concepts are missing. They may be having many surgeries, and then would you please share with me about the date? We are here in Chicago on July the 9th. That's going to be Gen Center. But you are traveling all over, right?
Yes, we have over 30 shows lined up all over the country, the US as well as Canada. We have had huge support from the community, both in terms of ticket sales as well as in terms of donations, because this is a huge opportunity for the membership at large, the community at large, to come forward and support this cause. People are always looking for good opportunities, and this is one of those good opportunities. We have had a tremendous response in Chicago. It's almost a sold-out show. There are some tickets left, so you're welcome, and the guests are welcome. However, we are also considering a second show.
Wow, see? Chicago, when it comes to, they're always looking for a cause, and when there is a cause which is so close to your heart, they're always there to support. But it is not like you haven't been able to, but you can contact these people and then you take a pride and because we spoke to the artist, you heard that, and this is in, when comes something here, it is already filtered. So you're getting best to the best, and looking forward to see, so mark your calendar, and then this is, and then actually because the dimes and that's like a dollars are going for a cause, that is another important thing. So anything else you want to share?
Yes, I'm very excited about this venture here in the US. We have over 30 shows lined up. Our supporters all over the globe are making this with this. Our supporter in Charlotte, North Carolina is here today. He is attending this event tonight, and we are hoping and wishing that they also have a full house like we do in Chicago, and wish everybody a good luck and have a great time. Learn a lot about Srimad Rajchandra Ji. He has a lot to offer, and I've been connected with the institution for over 7 years now, and I'm telling you, it is nothing but grace. Our lives have come around because of the teachings and preachings of Srimad Rajchandra Ji, and our family is indebted to Srimad Rajchandra Ji, and I cannot be any more happier than today when Yug Purush has come to Chicago.
Thank you so much. All the best and good luck.